honestly, this song is very, very special to my heart. And every, I think, actor, every hero in his career wants a song like that and craves for a song like that. I'm very grateful. कितनी जल्दी मेरे करियर में सॉरी अभी आ गई इतनी जल्दी मेरे करियर में मुझे ऐसा एक गाना मिल गया थैंक्स टू ऑब्वियसली सचिन जिगर एंड who've given me the song. Second time I'm doing a movie with them. I can दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ ये इनका बेस्ट वर्क है मेरा बेस्ट एल्बम है मेरे छोटे करियर में एंड थैंक यू श्रीराम थैंक यू डीनू एंड above all thank you अहमद सर सेकेंड टाइम आई एम डूइंग अ सॉन्ग विद हिम ऑल्सो ये बहुत ज़्यादा सीनियर है बहुत ज़्यादा यंग दिखते हैं तो किसी को पता नहीं चलता पर thank you so much at short notice you came in helped us out with this song and what a fabulous job you've done. One more person I have to thank is Mr. Anil Mehta जो DOP है फिल्म के he's shot this film beautifully. So just thank you everyone for being here. I want to call on stage my producer and director without whom I wouldn't be here today. So first Dino and Shriram, please come on stage. All the men behind the song who've not spoken as yet, that's Ahmed sir and Sachin, if they can come and say a few words. Ahmed sir, you can tell us your experience about this song and your ideas and conceptualization and because it's very different from a lot of stuff that we usually see in films over here. So,
hi everybody. Firstly, the director over here, he's got some allergy with songs. So whenever you say Gana karna hai, choreographer chahiye, to his mustache goes upwards. And he says, why? So that's a good beginning. Secondly, he has an actor who can only do the best dancing in the film industry. So this is a lethal combination. So, and there comes my friend in Mr. Dino, who said, Ahmed, kuch aisa karna hai jo बहुत आउटस्टैंडिंग लगे एंड देन ही शोड मी द प्रोमो एंड विच आई सेड बॉस ये प्रोमो इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड हिटिंग फिल्म इसमें गाना कैसे करेंगे देन ही इज द बॉय हु केप्ट कॉलिंग एंड ही केप्ट गिविंग आइडियाज ही सेड आई एम गोइंग टू गो ऑल आउट व्हाट एवर यू वांट हाउ एवर यू वांट एंड देन आई मेट सचिन जिगर एंड ही मेड मी हियर द सॉन्ग एंड आई सेड बॉस आई थिंक सो दिस इज इट्स बीन 20 years of my career as he said I look do I look young I don't know but so then
he's taking part in DID Lil Kids as a contestant this time. That's how young he is.
So then I said, boss, I think so we need to kill it. And Varun came on board and this is the kind of dance what we try to do is basically it's called crumping. And I always wanted to do with all the actors. In all due respect to all the actors, I never got a opportunity because they couldn't do it. So I thought this would be the best guy to do it. And when I showed Varun the steps and I think so, I thought he'll take a while, but believe you me, before I reached the rehearsal hall, he was done and he had gone off. So then my assistant said that, sir, we have killed it. And Varun has really got the song right up his sleeves and in his pocket. And then we shot it and hear what it is. And I was very happy. Dino loved it. Varun loved it. But I got a message from one guy saying, Ahmed, I like the song, thanks. And that's Shriram. So that's when I said, boss, I think so we have got the song. So I said, boss, we have made it, and he roped in the screenplay, and there it is. And I really feel it's one of my, I don't know how do you all like it, I mean, but it's one of my best work, and all thanks to the only guy, that's Varun, because he performed in that manner, gave that entire expression, aggression, crumping, crying, and kept it more musical, not just a very hardcore, hard-hitting song. So it's a good, I can say, a mission, and thanks guys.
Thank you sir. Sachin, the man behind the song who, matlab, half the man behind the song, his other half is not here, but how and why did you all come up with something like that?
I'm really missing Jigar because he had prepared all the speech for the day. I'm missing my Jigar.
Jigar khol ke bol de.
Actually, it's surreal because I remember our first ever video that we got to feature in. Ahmed sir shot. So, and of course, the sort of belief that Dino sir, has in us. I think that's the most important feature of however we've been able to perform. And the man I'm standing next to, my hands are shivering. I'm a big fan of his work and Johnny Gadar. And, I mean, I just can keep going on like that. I'm just plain lucky to be sharing stage with this gentleman. But, like, you know, maybe I'm... And I can only, I saw the film, we're doing the BGM right now. I can only say I'm super proud of you, Varun Dhawan. Amazing, amazing performance, and I just hope Jigar comes soon now. Thank you.
I only get one word, call, and I call him. He makes me feel so good about Badlapur that even a little bit more than I should. So I'd like to just call the guardian of Badlapur, Mr. David Dhawan, on stage. Say a few words.
It's a great moment for me. See, I'm come here as a father. तो मेरे लिए इससे बड़ी moment नहीं है. And this is the film which I was scared of when he was doing it. A lot of people might be, you know, because coming from a commercial family and all. But he skilled it, and all credit gives to one guy who's a junior of mine from the FTI. That's Raghavan. Yeah.
Thank you.
Great, I tell you. And the song is outstanding. I've done so many songs. He's worked with me also, but this song, it has soul in it, you know. Why you enjoy it more is he's picturized it, he's the way he has composed it, he's acted, the way he's directed, all, it's there and it works. I think big time it works. It's the story of the film. So I think all the best to him, who's really been on this film. बहुत दिनों से लगा हुआ है ये हर चीज़ को, मतलब promo se leke, and he really made it. The pictures become, I mean, very hot. I feel a lot of people now meeting me, they talk about his promo, about this film. They even talk about one particular dialogue in the end where he says,
I've luckily not met any cops after that.
Yeah.
At night, I've stopped driving at night only because of that.
All the best. The editors here also, she's done a damn good job because I am myself an editor. So I respect all this technical team. Even the cameraman, the big camera, great guy.
You know, one thing I have to say, जब हम लोग ने शुरू किया ये पिक्चर बनाना और प्रोमो भी काटी, हम लोग ने ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं सोचा था. प्रेस से इतनी मदद नहीं सोची थी. Like the amount of people that have turned up, you know, I can understand for a film like मैं तेरा हीरो, हमटी, which are more audience friendly, या मतलब इतना wide audience मिलता है उसको. So many people come out and support करते हैं ऐसे पिक्चरों को. But ऐसी पिक्चर जो टेढ़ी है, and I'm even seeing kids are knowing about the film now. People are getting more and more aware to the film. So I actually want to thank all of you all because awareness सिर्फ आपसे जाती है, and it's a two-way street. हम लोग आके हम लोग का काम देते हैं, but big thank you to all of you all who have been so pro this film. All the cameramen, all the photographers, all the journalists. आप लोग ने एक भी चीज़ negative नहीं की है पिक्चर की. So thank you a lot. It really means a lot to me. Thank you guys.
Varun, how difficult was it for you to get into the skin of the character for this video?
You know what's scary for me, that when I started this film, it was the most difficult thing to become Raghu for me. I thought, it's something I can't do, it's an unachievable task. Now, when someone tells me to become Raghu or do scenes like Raghu, it happens a little fast, which is very scary for me, because this is one character I want to run away from. It's not something I want to embrace, because it's not a morally or a very happy character to stay with. These are memories I want to let go of. It's a character that's taken a lot away from me, so it's starting to come very easy to me now, which is a bit, it's a bit scary actually now.
Song is very amazing, very outstanding. I love the song.
Thank you.
Love the track. You know, वरुण, मुझे ये जानना है, जब ये जो गाना आपने किया, मतलब कैसे प्रिपेयर हुए आप इस गाने के लिए?
I think बदलापुर में हर चीज़ हम लोग ने बहुत डिस्कस करके, होमवर्क करके की है. अहमद सर से, जैसे अहमद सर ने कहा, मैंने उनसे फ़ोन पे बहुत बात की. हम लोग ने सचिन जिगर के स्टूडियो में हम लोग मिले. डीनो के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, श्रीराम के बहुत आइडियाज़ थे, अनिल मेहता हैड अ माइंड टू शूट इट. आई थिंक इट्स द कमिंग टुगेदर ऑफ सो मेनी ग्रेट पीपल. दैट्स श्रीराम, अनिल मेहता, डीनू, अनाइटा जिन्होंने कपड़े किए हैं, अहमद सर who has so much work behind him, and he actually told me not what to do in this video. इन्होंने नहीं कहा कि वरुण ये कर ये कर ये कर, उन्होंने बोला ये रास्ते में मत जाना, ये रास्ते में नहीं जाना. And one part I would like to single out एक Jami, who I think we are all so grateful to कि वो कश्मीर से she flew reached Bombay at 10 o'clock at night. पूरी रात उन्होंने शूटिंग की और सुबह में 6 या 7 बजे की फ्लाइट पकड़ के वापस कश्मीर चली गई. And she looked so beautiful in the song, and the way he actually directed that portion of Yami and me, he told me that कि a person that you love वो आपके सामने है और वो आपको प्यार कर रही है, पर आपको पता है कि वो इंसान एक्चुअली जीवित नहीं है, that it's actually a ghost or that person is not there, but you're seeing that person and you know it's fake, but yet you want that love and you're longing for it. तो I think ये सब मेरे दिमाग में था और जिस तरीके से इन्होंने मुझसे कराया बस वैसे ही हो गया.
ओके वरुण, जब ये गाना मतलब आपके दोस्तों ने या फिर जो इंडस्ट्री के लोगों ने देखा, क्या रिएक्शन मिला आपके फ्रेंड्स का, आलिया, सिद्धार्थ, आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे?
मैंने एक्चुअली ये वीडियो करण जौहर, मैं वेगस में था तो मैंने खाली करण सर को दिखाया था जब मैं वापस आया था. आई मेट हिम, द फर्स्ट पर्सन आई मेट हिम, और उनको दिखाया था. एंड इट्स अ वेरी पर्सनल थिंग बिकॉज इट्स नॉट हिज टाइप ऑफ फिल्म, बट I want to make him, like I want to make my dad proud. Karan is some person I want to make proud as well, and I'm waiting for 20th of Feb so that he can say things in the open that he's telling me in person.
पास आई ये कैरेक्टर, आप इससे पहले मतलब आपकी जो इमेज अलग थी और अब ये दो राय नहीं है कि रघु को भी लोग उतना ही पसंद कर रहे हैं, बट आपको थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी नहीं हुई, डर नहीं लगा कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर मतलब मैं लेकर जाऊंगा, लोग आपके ऑडियंस आपके फैंस इसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
नहीं, 100% डर हुआ था. एंड समथिंग Dinu had said that you might scare the children away and stuff like that, but I think we have a lot of intelligent people in our country, और सब लोग जानते हैं कि ये सिर्फ एक कैरेक्टर है. मैं एक्चुअली हथौड़ा लेके किधर नहीं जाता, and I'm quite friendly otherwise. So I think, and I'm doing a lot of stuff for the kids. Yeah, after this ABCD 2 आने वाली है, which is totally a kids film, and there's another film that's going to be announced soon. So I think बच्चों के लिए बहुत है आगे, but I think something for the adults, something for people who thought I was a bit cheesy in my first 3 films. So now they'll get this dose as well.
So in this movie, you're romancing 3 pretty ladies, Yami, Huma, and Divya. So आप सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable
Actually 4.
Oh, 4.
एक और है, राधिका आप्टे.
Okay, so
मैं किसी को नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
सबसे ज़्यादा comfortable आप किसके साथ थे?
सबके साथ.
But still एक rapport bonding जिसके साथ build हो गया होगा.
I genuinely think all 4. In fact, आप डीनो को पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि इन्होंने जब कास्टिंग शुरू की थी, I think Sriram would get, I think when we did the love making scene, Sriram himself was a little taken aback by how comfortable me and Yami were, because we were really in the emotion as man and wife, man and woman. And whereas I think the thing that's taken everyone aback is a little bit the Divya Datta kiss, but I don't see why, because Divya is a very very beautiful woman and she's an amazing actress, and plus I'm not playing 27 at that time, I'm playing a much older age. तो उस वक्त जैसे मैंने कहा कि बदलापुर के during I was in a trance, I actually felt कि मैं एक older
Very
man,
dedicated actor.
older
He
man.
makes actors very comfortable, especially the female ones.
This song has a lot of pain. So has something like this ever happened in your life where you actually sing कि आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाइया?
I think it's happened in everyone's life at some point.
You like to share?
And the truth is that people who are young, it will happen in their life. Like happiness is part of our life, so is sadness. Share matlab in the sense that everyone has had loved ones who have left them, who have gone away, hopefully to a better place, who have left them and gone away, hopefully to a better spouse or to a better person. So I think we've all gone through heartbreaks and heart pains. So I kind of drew through that. Something that did happen to me was, before I started this film, is I lost my grandmother. Something that I never let out, but more than me, I think the pain obviously hit my mother, who lost her mother. And because she's my mother, I saw that very up close and personal. And actually before we started the film, Sriram and me spoke a lot about death and about how people react to death in different ways. And I learned a lot. I mean, because obviously he has more experience, so he's seen way more than me in life.
कितनी बार चोटें लगी थी टोटल? क्योंकि अखबारों में हमने पढ़ा, लेकिन अभी आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि 2 अंतरे 1 मुखड़ा है गाने का. तो ओवरऑल
जो 2 लोग इधर राइट पे बैठे हैं, आप इनसे पूछ लो, क्योंकि इनको पता है एग्जैक्ट. अहमद सर से पूछ लो, डीनो से पूछ लो.
Got burnt then he's fallen down, then he's hit himself, then we hit him
ये
with
जो
bottles.
जो bottles तोड़े हैं, ये पूरा अहमद सर का आइडिया था.
Ahmed sir went himself to throw the
मैंने सिर्फ एक फोड़ी.
बट थोड़ा था.
झूठा मैंने देखा आपको एक के बाद एक आप देख रहे थे.
Others were thrown here, there, and we were not getting that effect.
Retakes कितने हुए
I said,
उसके?
BD, मैं आता हूँ. I came with the bottle, and the bottle which slammed him here was me. And I'm very sorry about that, BD. And he said something hit me very hard here. And that was the okay shot. तो कभी आप गाना वापस देखिएगा तो उसमें देखिएगा एक बॉटल जो बहुत जोरदार यहाँ बेचारे को पड़ी है. And it flew. And sweet of him, after that whole night he shot with all the glasses all over him.
pyro
The
pyro
pyro.
का बता दो जो मतलब there's a thing it's called cold pyro जो झूठ है. there's nothing like cold pyro. anything that's fire is always hot.
There is, but उस दिन hot pyro.
और वापस
ये pyro which there's a shower like a Niagara fall. तो ऊपर से it falls down. And I said, VD, we called cold pyros. And I don't know what went wrong with those idiots. They ended up getting hot pyro. And he stood inside, and that runs for nice 25-30 seconds. And Varun, poor thing, I said, start walking in style. He started walking in style. The moment he came below that pyro, his expressions changed. And I said, we're shooting in 2000 frames. Why is he changing? And later on, he came out and there was smoke coming.
from Raghu I become Bhagu.
Poor thing, and I'm very sorry about that, Varun.
no it's all about
The
it.
other thing is, he went back for one more retake. And he stood in that pyro and he started hitting his hand, and finally we had to pull him out, and then we put ice all over his head, especially for you to know. He was really injured, he was burnt, and he was bruised at the back also. So this happened, glass tuta, then he had to break the brick wall, and that was a real brick. And Varun, such a real brick.
Okay, Sunny Deol will be happy after this video for sure.
तो ये यूज की गई अभी पीके के लिए, उसके दौरान भी ये यूज किया गया. तो अभी आप खुश हैं कि आपकी टैगलाइन हर तरफ प्रचार प्रसार में लगी हुई है?
हाँ, मैं तो खुश हूँ यार. पीके में भी यूज किया. यू शुड नॉट मिस द बिगिनिंग ऑफ एनी मूवी. लेकिन हमारा मूवी में तो मतलब पहले 5 मिनट अगर आपने मिस किया तो आपको कहानी अलग लगेगी. इसलिए मैं इंसिस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि जैसा थिएटर में होता है, पृथ्वी में होता है कि आप एक बार शुरू होने के बाद अंदर नहीं जा सकते. कोशिश कर रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ करने के लिए.
सचिन, आपसे गाने के मुखड़े का मतलब जानना चाहेंगे कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है वो वर्ड्स, उनकी मीनिंग.
Sure. I'd also like to call upon Divya Kumar, who's a singer. Divya, we call him Bure Ali Khan Saab, funnily, because जो भी वो गाता है इसमें से कुछ भी बुरा नहीं होता है. Everything is worth keeping. To answer your question, Alok, I think I was a little too senti. I think Varun even asked me, पर मैंने तभी भी मैं जवाब नहीं दिया. You can see all of us are very sentimental about this, emotional about this project. I think एक गाना हम करना चाह रहे थे जो straight out, you know, प्यार में मरने और मारने की बात करे. जो when love is, you know, of that intensity, you know, then दिल धड़कन पेड़ और मतलब खूबसूरत और ये सब, you know, I think we need to have a song which has, you know, genuinely honest lyrics and singing. That's why, you know, we've put out words, hard-hitting words, also because we wanted the song to be gritty and edgy. So we had these, you know, these kind of words where say छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, दाग दे सारी गोलियां, नहीं आज मेरा जी करदा मर जानिया, नहीं आज मेरा जी करदा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते मर जाने. So, you know, it's the feeling of self-giving and, you know, feeling of submitting in love. I think that's what we wanted to put forward. And Dino sir has helped him, so I think he can actually answer this question because he's part of the.
नहीं सर, वो गाना खराब हो जाएगा. हाँ.
Do a dance, Dino.
I think we'll make Varun sing. But you know, this song sometimes with at least with Sachin Jigar na, there's such good energy in the room. Songs happen like हम बहुत मेहनत नहीं करते. हमारा 1.5 घंटे में ये एल्बम के तीनों गाने एक के बाद एक बने, मतलब not different days. So I remember one day we were working on another album. I called them up कि आज मैं ना, I was very angry. So I called them in the morning. I said I'm coming to do Badlapur today. We came. There was just some riff of some guitar. बैठे in 1.5 hours, we had the whole song between Sachin Jigar and me. And we called Varun, who's sometimes frets a lot. You know, there's no music. So I sent him a message, go to sleep. So he came to the studio. And I remember Varun, when you heard the song for the first time, what happened?
मैंने बोला that boss we've got a theme song. I said this is a song now Sriram will like. because it's very difficult to please Sriram because obviously
Such
the
a
film
liar.
is
First,
such
he
a
gave a politically correct answer. He was like all emotional. Then he left and he said, "अरे और गाने भी चाहिए." So he's a greedy guy. This political. I think Divya should sing the song.
Also, want to welcome Jigar is here.
Jigar, give your speech now. Sachin said he has prepared a speech.
आज शेव भी करके आए
I
जिगर.
told them that I was missing you because you prepared the speech for the day. Yeah, actually, I'd like to say that this guy Varun, na, he keeps pushing us to do better. And when Dino sir came to us, he said, "देख भाई, अगर इसके लिए तूने सही गाना नहीं बनाया तो ये कहीं ना कहीं से लेके आएगा. Better तू बना दे." So, but I'm glad, you know, like Sriram sir and Dino sir and Varun, we've all together. Hello, Ahmed sir. He's our debut director. So we've all been to, you know, this journey and we've been able to come up with some good music. I hope you all like it. I think Divya should
I
sing.
think it's time Divya sings. एक हो जाए.
Everyone sings together, I think.
अरे नहीं. We want to. Who wants to hear his voice, guys? Who wants to hear him sing live?
छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, छल्ली कर दे सीना मेरा, दात सारी गोलियां नियच मेरा जी करदा मेरी जाने नियच मेरा जी करदा मेरी जाने नी मेरा जी करदा मेरी जाने नियच मेरा जी करदा मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, मुश्किल कर दे जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते लिट जाने यानी मेरा जी करदा मर जाने यानी जी मेरा जी करदा. Thank you.
We have Sunny Leon with us as well, who's no, she's not here. Okay. No, ask. I'm kidding.
Varun, just curious to know, did you break those blocks of brick at one go?
In one go, actually, I was going to ask Dino today in the morning. I got up. I said, "क्या कि brick लेके आते मैं तोड़ता हूँ, कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा." But then I said, "Screw it because I've got shooting and all ahead." I said, "कुछ हो जाएगा मेरे को, रहने दो."
Hi Varun.
Ask him this question. It is actually one take only because एक ही brick.
You praised Varun Dhawan a lot and rightly so, deserved every bit of it. You also said that he's the best dancer in Bollywood. Where does that leave Hrithik and Shahid?
India wants to know.
Nation wants to know.
See, I have worked with Hrithik, I have worked with Shahid, okay, and I'm done. Varun is the new generation, and Varun के बाद भी आएंगे. There's Tiger Shroff also. There are everybody. So we are talking about this song.
सूरज भी है अभी जो बहुत अच्छा है.
Suraj, I've shot with Suraj for Hero.
He is very good. He's very
So,
good.
you know, there's Ranbir who dances very well. Hrithik is a guy who's perfect. Shahid is trained. Ranbir is, he's got that old cool style. Even Abhishek has got his own style. Okay. Shah Rukh is the persona. What I said about him, I made him do a particular style that's got a bit of crumping. Okay. Crumping is the Western tandav. When a man is hurt, so he does kind of crumping. And I didn't expect him to do it that well. So that's why I said he is one of the best dancers. And for this song, I think he's the best dancer.
2015 has started on a big bang for you. Not just for you, but also for the other students of the year, Alia and Siddharth, who seem to be in love. Are you happy for them?
Very happy for anyone who's in love. I think if I don't do speak because I will get into trouble as well. But have they told you that? तो मैं नहीं बोलता. ये हमेशा होता है कि बोल दो कि हाँ इन लोगों ने ये कहा था तो मैं बोलता अरे वेरी गुड मुझे तो कब से पता था ये वो मैं अटक जाता मेरे को मैसेजेस आते हैं मेरे को गाली आते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो. मैं तो वेगस में था मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता.
I want to know कि you have said earlier कि सलमान खान की तेरे नाम से you took the inspiration for this character. तो सलमान even he tweeted about you and said कि वरुण तू तो बहुत आगे निकल गया. Like in his started of your career like different तरह के movies आप कर रहे हैं. How it feels to you like?
Obviously very special. Salman Bhai is someone that I've grown up idolizing and watching. And what I meant by Tere Naam was, I mean, the type of career Salman Bhai has had and the type of film Tere Naam is, the type of subject it is, he need not have done it. It's not something that you would say, oh, this is a Salman Khan film. But काफ़ी टेढ़ी film है. फिर भी उन्होंने किया. and it worked very well for him. So I think I got that belief, that inspiration, and I felt that, I can go out there and make these decisions, because people before me have always made these difficult decisions, and they paid off. So, and I know that that's a film he had done from his heart at that point. So this is a film that I've done from my heart. I was going through something when I signed this film and during this film, and hopefully it'll show.
First of all, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to everyone over here.
Okay, congratulations to the team. The song, the trailer, it's very awesome. Varun, you did it a good job. So my question to you is, while filming, while shooting for this film, you worked with the method actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How was the experience? What have you learned from him?
I've learned a lot from Nawaz. I have to say, I've learned a lot about cinema. I've learned a lot about how he conducts himself as a human being. I have to say this, what I've realized about Nawaz, he's one actor who runs away from fame. वो भाग जाते हैं, उनको पसंद नहीं है वो. He likes to be away from all this. Nawaz is not only a gem of an actor, he's a gem of a human being. The way he does his scenes, the way he prepares for it, he doesn't make anyone feel कि मैंने ये किया है. Even by observing how Sriram would direct him and how he would take direction is amazing. I'm very, very grateful to him that he is part of our film. And like I say, this film is incomplete without Nawaz. He's a very important part of this film. And I always say this, that Nawaz and me are a pairing made in hell. When we both clash in the film, it's almost two people from different worlds clashing, two different ideologies clashing almost. And who gets the better of whom, you'll have to see on 20th of Feb.
दिनेश, वो लिरिक्स वाली बात रह गई थी कि आपने किस तरीके से लिरिक्स लिखी थी?
Actually लिखे नहीं. You know what happened? We, like I was saying, हम लोग बैठे and there are thoughts, right? You have. So when we talk about मुश्किल कर दिया जीना मेरा, हंसते हंसते मिट जाना, it just in 1.5 hours we were done with lyrics and everything, and then we said, okay, should we call someone for lyrics too? And we actually did that also. And then Jigar looked at me and said, we are done. So it was a very organic process. It happens with them. It's as much Sachin Jigar as me, and it's happened on all the. I think even on Jeena Jeena.
I think food is a major feature because we really like Sindhi curry and all, and he likes Gujarati food. So we basically meet to have food and chill. बीच में कभी ऐसे गलती से हो गया literally.
In fact, the second song which we're going to launch, which is Jeena Jeena, which also Ahmed has. If you look at this album, actually there's a track called Jeena Jeena, which is for falling in love. So this Valentine, you can fall in love with Jeena Jeena. Then there is Losing in Love, Judai, which actually is Varun's favorite track, which will come out third. And then the third is to Die in Love. So it's a complete album which बोलते ना अगर 4 लोग प्यार करते हैं, एक को लड़की मिलती है, 3 का दिल टूटता है, तो they are also covered and the first guy is also covered. So hopefully this Valentine Day our album will do very well.
वो आतिफ के साथ आपकी तस्वीरें भी आई थी, तो उसके बारे में अगर आप
इनको आतिफ से प्यार है,
आतिफ को वरुण से प्यार है. Actually, we are very happy that when we made this track, we were wondering which voice to get, and we are really lucky that it all happened so quickly. हमने आतिफ को गाना भेजा, he loved the track. We recorded on the first in Calcutta. I called Ahmed. He was holidaying in Dubai, and we said that we need to shoot a video, but in the tone of Badlapur. So he said, "Let's do it." And on Prophet Muhammad's birthday, on the 3rd, we shot the video
in Dubai.
In Dubai, and he shot it really well. Like he's been half the DOP on it, which the Italian guy won't be very happy. But Ahmed has killed that other song. But that will be. We'll talk soon about it.
Any questions are there on Tevar, because I have also part promotional of Tevar, और I think they are damn good pair यार. मतलब उनको देख के I am happy for them. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. उनके बारे में जितने रूमर्स लिखने हैं लिखो. पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है 2 दिन में. I'm very happy for them. My parents actually saw the film before this, and I'm going to go see it tonight. I think जो उनकी chemistry है, they know each other from their childhood. दोनों के बालकनियाँ आसपास है, तो छुप छुप के देखते रहते थे एक दूसरे को कि कौन पहले बनाएगा, कौन दूसरे. Then they both lost weight और दोनों नीचे रास्ते पे मिले और ऐसा पिक्चर करते हम लोग. I think Tevar is going to be a huge success, the first success of 2015. Arjun has given his blood, sweat, hard work, everything in that movie. जिस तरीके से प्रमोट किया है, आप सब लोग ने देखा है पहली बार. And I'm really looking forward to the film, and I'm going to pray to God that it does really, really well.
Varun, VHP के जो लोग हैं विश्व हिंदू परिषद के, उन्होंने करीना कपूर खान की एक मॉफ्ट पिक्चर एक मैगजीन पे लगाई है और उनका
कब?
उनका ये
सच्ची मेरे को फोटो देगा, मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा तो ही बिलीव
यू
करूँ.
कैन सी द पिक्चर हियर. उनका ये कहना है कि जिस तरीके से लव जिहाद जो हो रहा है वो लोग उन सारी हिंदू लेडीज को वापस लाना चाहते हैं जिन्होंने मुस्लिम्स से शादी की और करीना की मॉफ्ट पिक्चर इस पे लगाई. क्या कहेंगे?
किधर लेके आना चाहते हैं?
अपनी कम्युनिटी में वापस लाना चाहते हैं.
किधर है कम्युनिटी है?
According to them, Hindu and Muslim love jihad, such kind of thing. So what's your reaction? Like celebrities को इस तरह की चीजों में लाया जाता है, उनके पिक्चर्स यूज किए जाते हैं.
They should watch PK, I think. उसमें अच्छा समझाएगा. I don't know about this controversy. Not that I'm scared about answering about any of this actually, but genuinely मैंने इसके बारे में पढ़ा नहीं है तो मैं जानता नहीं हूँ ज़्यादा. पर मैं समझा नहीं जो क्या मतलब किधर लेके आना चाहते हैं. मतलब हम लोग इंडिया में हैं और वो भी इंडिया में है तो they're saying it's wrong to marry intercaste. I don't understand it. That's all I can say.
You have worked with Remo. You're working with Remo right now, and you worked with Hemant. How different are they, and with whom was it easy to shoot?
I think with both of them, yeah. Why easy? मतलब in the sense I did in my first film I worked with Remo sir, and since then actually I've been hearing stories about Ahmed sir from Remo sir, and the good thing is that both keep giving me stories about each other. And in fact Ahmed sir has seen some stuff of ABCD2 as well, which Remo sir has shown him. Remo sir always says whatever he has learned from Ahmed sir, because he started his career from him. He gave him that push and then he's gone on to become so successful. Obviously there is a similarity. I think the one similarity that they both have, that they always want to do something new with everything, and I think that's amazing. I wouldn't say who's easier or who's better or something like that, because like I said, Ahmed sir is so senior to all of us. He just looks very young and probably is doing the youngest work of his life, I think, in this phase of his career. And he's an amazing choreographer, and he's someone I actually want to team up again and again with. But like he always says that I will come to him in every film, but I want to give him that one special song. I want to work with him because I know if there's one man who can take a song to the next level and can do things that probably even youthful people can't imagine, is Ahmed Khan in this industry.
Thank you.
इन दोनों, अच्छा, सोनाक्षी और अर्जुन दोनों काफी तीखे मिजाज के हैं. दोनों देखो स्क्रीन पे शायद अर्जुन का ज्यादा हुआ क्योंकि वो हीरो है एंड ही इज डूइंग ऑल दैट, बट ऑफ स्क्रीन ज्यादा सोनाक्षी के. यू हैव टू सी अर्जुन जब कैमरा बंद है और तब सोनाक्षी है, तब देखना चाहिए. तो तब ऑफ स्क्रीन सोनाक्षी के ज्यादा है और ऑन स्क्रीन अर्जुन के ज्यादा है.
मीडिया, थैंक यू सो मच. वैसे वरुण एक सरप्राइज के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, तो वरुण, व्हाट इज दैट सरप्राइज दैट यू आर टॉकिंग
Actually today with us, amongst us, we have Hanu Dikshit, who is a contest winner of Ji Karda. जैसे you have a lot of cover versions nowadays digitally online YouTube पे. So Hanu has done a cover for Ji Karda and been selected all around the country. He's going to play the guitar live as well and sing as well. And we've already heard it. Now we want you guys to hear it. And it's amazing. Divyak is also here and Sachin Jigera also here. So you guys have already got a cover for your song. Wow. I think which is amazing. And come. अरे ऑब्वियसली खुश है. वी आर ऑल इंडियन. तो हम लोग सब बहुत खुश है कि इंडियन टीम आज आने वाले. आज विराट कोहली ने 140 कितना मारा, 150 हो गया उनका, 140 हुआ है उनका, नॉट आउट है ना. So I think the team is doing well in Australia. They're catching up hopefully in the series, and for the team, very happy and going to wish them all the best for the World Cup. और कप वापस ले गया है ये देश में जहाँ हम लोग सब क्रिकेट के भूखे हैं और प्यार करते हैं. पर बदलापुर 20th Feb को रिलीज हो रही है.
Okay, before I start this song, first of all, it's such an honor to perform in front of so many people and in front of the entire team of Badlapur, and I hope I'm able to do some justice to such a wonderful composition and such a wonderful voice in my version. Okay. आज मेरा जी करता, नी आज मेरा जी करता
कर दे सीना मेरा, छलनी कर दे सीना मेरा, छलनी कर दे सीना मेरा। दाद सारी गलियां नी अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी अज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी अज मेरा जी करदा हो। Can you feel the pain? Can you hear it? Can you feel it? It's inside me. आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी आज मेरा जी करदा। रब्बा मेरे मुझे घर पे तेरे कड़ी बोला, तेरी चौखट पे दे दे और जो दर्द वो बाकी रोला, मुझे रज रज के आज मेरा जी करदा, आज मेरा जी करदा, जी करदा, जी करदा, जी करदा हो। Can you feel it? Can you hear it? It's inside me, it's inside me। कि आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी आज मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी मेरा जी करदा मर जाने, नी आज मेरा जी करदा। I can feel it. Thank you.